Good morning, everybody. We woke up with this view. Okay, now I'm going inside because it's really cold. Okay, let's make some coffee. What do we have here? Coffee from Ethiopia and organic coffee from, I don't know. I'm going to try the one from Ethiopia. Okay, this won't fit. Maybe there are other cups. Nope. Oh, here, perfect. I have no idea about the size. Okay, I'll try this one. Okay, let's go for some food. The weather feels so weird. I feel cold, but I also feel warm. So it's like the sun is warming the day a bit. It's windy today, that's making it colder. Look at this view. There's a supermarket. I don't think that snow will last much longer. So it's like a mall. So I'm looking for a salad. I can't believe these prices. The salad is 10 euros. And one of these sandwiches is almost the same. 10 euros. Holy shit. And I was thinking not going to Switzerland because I thought it was going to be expensive. So that was 12 euros 30 cents. Okay, so if the hostel doesn't have locks, I can buy one of these. But it's going to be really expensive. There were some cheaper options, but still like 12 euros. So here starts the Schaan. Cities are so close together that you can walk from one to the other. They don't have McDonald's, but they have casino. Okay, this is insane. The whole country of Liechtenstein has 40,000 inhabitants. The city where I grew up has more than that. I'm going to warm the bread that they left for me. Oh. First I need to turn this to... Where is it? Open. That one, I guess. And temperature, I guess it was 200. Something around 210, 20. They are really good. I really want to try this one. This chocolate is from a brand that makes cocoa powder for, you know, mixed with milk and then you can drink. It's good, but it feels too sweet. Oh shit, they're hot. Some cheddar, some chicken. I don't know why I'm so cold. It's like 10 degrees. And fuck, it started raining and I forgot my umbrella. Same sign that we saw today, but from the other side. I can't believe it, there's McDonald's. Look at the sign. I checked yesterday and there was no McDonald's here. Actually, I went to the point where the McDonald's is supposed to be and it was not there. I guess it's misplaced on Google Maps. House of Allure. What is that? I just took a side street. Notice the difference. It's way quieter here. So that roadway that we left behind, which was really busy, I think it is because it connects Vaduz with Schaan and probably other of the main cities. I find surprising that I don't pass by any people. There's no one around. Centrum, let's go there. If you want a calm and isolated life, this is the perfect place for you. I'm going to go this way. There's people, finally. So we're going through a vineyard, and I think you can see a lot better the castle. Every time I thought it was going to start to rain, it stopped. It's like a few drops fall and then nothing. Like nothing happened. I don't know if you noticed, but I've been recording with two different cameras. One is the GoPro and the other one is my phone. And I noticed that although the GoPro does a decent job, the phone works way better, especially at night. Previous footage was with the GoPro, this footage is with the phone. You can clearly see the difference. The city center is dead, as the city is. There's no people around. I wonder if cities like this are doomed to disappear. It's not as cold as it was when I left the Airbnb. So I'm returning to Schaan. It's a 30 minutes walk. Here there's a fueling station. I want to see how much is a bottle of water. It was 1.25 for 1.5 liters. I got scammed yesterday. Don't buy anything at kiosks. This is the same that I bought yesterday. Only 0.95. And the guy at the kiosk charged me 350 francs, which turned out to be 4 euros. And here is only 0.95, which should be around €1.50. I feel so scammed. Motherfucker charged me 4 euros for the water. I was sure that the water couldn't be that expensive, but I would never have expected that I was going to be scammed here. No, never. Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go tomorrow. I'm going to buy another bottle of water and I'm going to check the price. And I'll see if the guy changes the price. I'm going to have good faith that he made a mistake and that he didn't try to scam me. But I'm almost sure that he tried to scam me, or that he actually scammed me, because at some point he told me that he doesn't accept euros, and that to accept euros I had to pay him 10 euros for the bottle of water. And that's when I pay with my card, because I wasn't going to pay 10 euros for a bottle of water. That's just ridiculous. I'm going to grab something small. Probably I will take it home. These burgers are cheaper than what the water cost yesterday. It seems Liechtenstein has a university. If you like snow sports, this is the place for you, I guess. Then you can take a 20 minutes train and be in Austria and party. Although in Feldkirch, where I was before, there wasn't that much party. There might be any other city around which has some life, especially for young people. And we are entering Schaan and leaving Vaduz. And we arrived to the Airbnb. You probably can't see it because it's fucking dark. Let's light up and there you see it. Oh, it's a bit cold.